Hello kids, I am Miss Nutei. Today we will be learning opposites, long and short. Repeat after me. Long, short. Long, short. Great. Long chu say ti na nia, short chu toi ti na. Oh, these are pencils. This one is long and this one is short. These are carrots. This one is long and this one is short. These are rockets. This one is long and this one is short. Now these are ropes. This is a long rope and this is a short rope. These are two little girls. This one is having a long hair and this one is having a short hair. These are slides. This one is long and this one is short. This is a pencil and this is an eraser. The pencil is long and the eraser is short. Now kids, you tell me which one is long and which one is short. These are trucks. Is this truck long or short? Long, right. Good. And this is short. Now repeat after me. Long, short. Long, short. Great job, everyone.